There's a card show by play event here. Beyblade X tournament. This pickleball thing is becoming ridiculous. A Pokemon card and other CCG thing. Malrats, we are here at Ayala Malls 30th. It is April 12th, Saturday afternoon, and there's a card show by play event here. It says TCGs, blind box toys, art plush games. It's probably their usual thing, but let's check it out. Hey, let's check it out. Okay, so, ooh, antique maps. That's cool. Look at that. Cool antique map of the Philippines over here. Paintings in the back. Let's see what cards. Oh, it looks like there's a tournament in the back. There's a Beyblade tournament tomorrow. Not today though. There's coffee. Pokemon cards. Okay. So this particular expo whatever thing, it's more of a card thing, but we have the usual suspects, the Lego people. Always here. Out of marble Lego. These magic cards. Ooh. Magic cards. Cool. Haven't played Magic in a while. Long while. There we have these usual toys. Hey. The card event is on the end, so let's check that out. Beyblade stuff. Much of other stuff. Stickers. Okay. There's an Ozine thing, no, a SuperCon thing happening over at the Ayala Malls Manila Bay concurrently, and we will be there tomorrow. For now, let's check this one out. Taking a break. This had the Manila Auto Show yesterday, and taking a break with some small stuff today. This is becoming a taxing calling slash profession slash job slash whatever. Cards. Hey, these match cards or Pokemon cards or Yu-Gi-Oh? Pokemon cards. Okay. Matchbox cards. A ton of these yesterday at the auto show. Okay, here in the back there is a PokeStars Philippines thing. Join the community. And they have some stuff over here. Let's check that out later. For now, okay. Cards. PokeStars. Cards. Go Master Set. Okay. Pokemon cards. I've never really been in the Pokemon community in the Philippines, so I have no idea how these are here. Some unopened boosters over here. Here is just Pokemon cards, more stuff, boosters. This one's Eastside Collectibles.
There's only 5 cards in this one.
Okay, and more Pokemon cards over here. Okay.
So if you're lucky, the card could look something like this.
Cute cards, $10 each. Let's see. Charizard.
Some of the packs will have each po inside.
Okay.
You can choose each one.
It's weekend, so there are a number of people here. Normally the mall is like that, just workers here, but well, you can find them out here. Alright. And then here in the back there are play tables. Not sure if it's done for today. Tomorrow there's gonna be a Beyblade event. I guess this is done for the day. So we already have. Yeah. Okay. So let's go to the other side. I'm hearing stuff on the second floor. We will check that out after if that's connected to this one. It may not be. See the pizza down there? I'm so itching for a pizza right now. For now? Okay, so here we have Lego Collectibles. As if they're official. Some of them look that way. But these days you never know. $60 per pack. Here we have some cute Pokeballs, maybe 3D printed, maybe official, I don't know. They look official. Oh, those are cute. 3D printed stuff. Make your own mechanical keyboard fidget. Okay. And they have some custom keycaps. Here we have, Star Wars toys. Well, they're on display. That lightsaber is $4,000. I think that's a 1/3 replica. That's cool. Okay. We have more cards over there. Free taste. Biscoff. What is this? I am cookie. There you go. But I am not that hungry yet for dessert stuff. So here you have cookies. And then more Pokemon cards. And merch and stuff. Okay. Lots of Pokemon stuff. Okay. So and there's more cards and not just Pokemon. I see some NBA stuff. This is Collector Spectrum. You guys want to see their QR code? There you go. Okay, that's QR code. And here we have some rare Pokemon card. Ooh, look. Give up Charizard. It's in a nice case, too. That's cool. They have NBA cards. Disney cards. That's cool. Okay. NBA cards. When I was a kid, those were big. I am more. At least not in my circles. Here we have Pokemon Buy Sell Trade. Match a break. Match a break. Okay. Giant Pikachu over there. Okay.
No joy in the house.
And cards over there. Okay, let's see this other side. Here we have more cards. Oh, this one's Yu-Gi-Oh stuff. Okay, cool. It's Yu-Gi-Oh. These cards are small, by the way. Cool. Okay. Some NBA cards. Stuffed toys. Empty stall. Now you have the usual peeps over here. Bags. Of course. What's in below? Cute thing. Bags. Perfumes, Millicents. Okay. And on on-the-spot portraits. Okay. Trinkets, trinkets, literally trinkets. Apparently that's a squeezy thing. Okay. Oops. Empty area. And it's a trinket bar. With memo makers. Okay, with trinkets. Trinket things. Trinket bar. So a custom stuff. I see. It's cool. And those are kind of useful. Pink. Okay. Food. Brew Crew Coffee House. It's more food these days, no? And one, take a sticker. There you go. There you go. K-pop stuff, I think, or no? I have no idea anymore. Guys, I have no idea. Okay. It's merch stuff, yeah, those K-pop merch. What is this? Anime Hawaii stationery and stickers. Cute toy guns, those are cute. And small. Ooh, actual jewelry, metal trinket kind of stuff. Cool. This one's cool. It is entering Holy Week. Tomorrow is Palm Sunday, 2025. Expect more Holy Week related videos later this week. And it's just the paint your own thing, so that's Pintaco. We know that. Here we have, let's go around. Here we have some toys, some car stuff. Hey, Zootopia things. That's cool. That's heavy. Disney, yeah, Vietnam. Cool. It's interesting. Ooh, see the dinosaurs. Check those out later. Hot Wheels. Cool Iron Man gauntlet thing. Sure thing. Okay. And let's just circle around. To the area we started around a dozen minutes ago. You have your paintings. You have a really cool antique looking Philippine map. I think it's a collage though. Yeah, it is. This is apparently the...
Hi, sir.
Okay. So that is a map. Okay. That is a really cool map. Businessman. 823. That's cool paintings here. Oh, there you go. So this is Memories of the Orient. Fine art. Paintings, of course. Then anime toys and figures. As usual. Look, there's like a bunch of Pokemon on top because this is a Pokemon event essentially. These games are really that popular. Pokemon plushies. And that's a weird red bear. See that? Red bear? Jollibee looking cat. And there you go. There you go, guys. That was the last stall. It's Ayala Malls 30th, so it's not a big place. And you know, you get cute expos here. They're not that big. They're homey. Seoul. There you go, guys. So yeah, there's gonna be a Beyblade X tournament tomorrow. April 13th, Sunday. Will we be here? Probably not, because we will head over to Ayala Malls Manila Bay tomorrow for the whatever SuperconPH has over there. Right. This pickleball thing is becoming ridiculous. They set up a pickleball court here in the middle of the mall, second floor of Ayala Malls 30th. That was that. Well, there you go, Mallrats. That was Cardshow by Play, a Pokemon card and other CCG thing, expo, whatever, display, bazaar thing here at Ayala Malls the 30th here in Pasig City on the outskirts of Ortigas Center. It's running from April 12 to 13 and, you know, free entrance, all that stuff. There you go. Whew, man, I'm gonna go eat some lunch and stuff. Hope you guys like what you saw. You know what to do. I'll see you guys in the next video. Mallrat out. Mallrat out. I just noticed that chick is sitting on top of a crocodile. Mallrat out.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.